we start at the middle. Wait, no. What am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story. I'll just tell you how it is. No, wait. I got an idea. I'll start at the beginning. I was born in a small
has great powers. So Ariel is with Ursula. Wants to help.
Girl, and do I help her? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad and quite so true. They come fucking to my cold rocks, but don't touch my knees and I help them. Yes, I do. Aruga, Saruga, and winds of the Caspian Sea. Now rings us lost like a set, Max laryngitis, non voce to me. I am from the past, I've been in nesting. They were kicking in the corner, no time will be better. won't say a word. She won't say a word until he's sleeping. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, the black and white and shining, gonna be sleeping. Sha-la-la-la-la-la.